A square lamina of 30 mm side resting on one of its side on HP. Resting on one of its side on HP is important. This is on HP on one of its side or edge means this side edge should come, and then which makes 30 degree to HP. The lamina makes 30 degree with horizontal plane. The lamina makes 30 degree with HP, and the side on which it rests makes 45 degree to VP is the problem. Now we'll construct a square lamina resting on horizontal plane. So we'll draw. It is having 30 mm side, so we'll take 30 millimeter side. So 30 millimeter side I have taken, and then from this point you should take, from at the end 30 mm you should take 90 degree, and then from this point you should take 90 degree to construct resting on HP. On either side you should take 90 degree, and then join with the help of only 30 millimeter. So this you have taken 90 degree, so we will take 30 mm square, and then this is 90 degree point. For that only take 90 degree, only take 30 mm because the square is having 30 millimeter side, or you can draw the line and you can cut. So this is how you have to construct a square lamina of 30 mm side resting on one of its corner. And I have drawn the projectors. These are the projectors, and it is having so 30 mm side, 30 mm side which is resting on one of its sides. A square lamina 30 mm side resting on one of its sides on HP. This is the first position. Then so A, B, C, D. Then you should draw a lamina with a dark line by intersecting the projectors on XY line. So where these projector where intersect on XY line, that is called as lamina. So when you are viewing from this side, B is visible, it is outside of the bracket. A is not visible inside the bracket. Dashed are always above XY line. Now C is visible, D is not visible inside the bracket. So front view always indicated by with dash. So this is the first position. Now second position, it is resting on HP. Because of that HP angle you have to consider at the beginning. Now it is 30 degree with HP. It is inclined 30 degree with HP, and it should be drawn in VP. When it is resting on HP, you should consider you should select the HP angle first, and that should be drawn in VP or above XY line. From this point I will take 30 degree. So from this point I will take 30 degree. So I marked a 30 degree point there, and then we'll join these two points with thin lines. With thin line you have to draw 30 degree line, and this point is nothing but B dash A dash. Whatever the point I have marked here, that is 30 degree line for that first point is called as B dash A dash point, and then you should take the distances from B dash A dash to C dash A dash. So this distance you have to take B dash A dash to C dash A dash, C dash D dash. Then keep at B dash A dash point where you have drawn 30 degree line, from the point and cut that 30-degree line by B dash C dash distance. Now we got here C dash D dash, B dash A dash distance, C dash D dash we have taken from this lamina, and by keeping at B dash A dash point, cut this distance C dash D dash on 30-degree line. Now make that point dark. Only this lamina you have to make dark. That is the construction line, 30-degree line, it should not be dark. And then draw the projectors by taking into consideration these projectors should be so I'm just taking the parallel lines. So draw the projectors from both the point. With thin line you have to draw. And then draw the projector. Parallel to this you have to draw the projector. Or you can take this as reference. And draw the projector lines. And we got all the projector lines. So just give the arrow mark for that. How these lines have been drawn. So A is here, both are intersecting. This is A point. D is here, so D is here, so this point is called as D. Both are intersecting at this point. B will come from here, B will come from top, so both are intersecting here. So A, B, C, D. Now make only that part dark, A, B, C, D. Now, next question is 30 degree to HP is over. The side on which it rests. The side on which it rests is this. This side is makes 45 degree with VP. The side makes 45 degree with VP. So 45 degree line will be drawn here. From that point we'll draw the 45 degree line. Now join these 2 points with thin lines. Thin line. Now we'll mark A point. This is 45 degree line I have drawn. So we'll mark this A point here. Right. I have marked the A point and I will take the distance from AB, that is 30 millimeter. So AB point I will take. From keeping at A point we will draw arc on 45 degree line and we will get B point. From both the points you should take the distances by taking 90 degree or dividing with the help of divider. Now we will take this BC distance or AD distance, both are same. So AB, BC you can take or AD you can take, both should be same. So I will draw arc on either side. We will draw arc here. Now after drawing the arc, you can take 90 degree from this point, 90 degree, or you can take one more, I will explain here, the opposite edges. So D, opposite edge corner, you have to take. B to D is the opposite corner and C to A is the opposite corner. So both should have same distances. Both are having same distance. So by keeping at B point, cut that edge, arc, by keeping at A point, cut this arc. So you will get 2 points. So just join by using scale. On either side you have to join. Then join these 2 points. And make this AB also dark. Now the same has been transferred here by using divider. There is no any protector. By using divider we have constructed ABCD at 45 degree line. Now we got ABCD here because the resting edge is inclined. The side, very important, the side on which it rests makes 45 degree with VP. VP ಇದ್ದಾಗ HP angle ತಗೋಬೇಕು, VP ಇದ್ದಾಗ HP ತಗೋಬೇಕು, HP ಇದ್ದಾಗ VP ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Now 45 degree AB will be inclined. So now we should construct or we should draw the projectors. We'll take this reference and we'll draw the projectors. From CV I have drawn. Then we should draw from C point, A point, B point, C point and D points. Now from A point I'll draw the projector, and then from B point, D point, then from B point, then from C point. I got all the points. Just will mark here this A point and A point from here. It will be intersecting here. So this is A. Then B is intersecting. That is A dash. B dash point is here. Then we'll get C dash. Here we'll get D dash point. So we'll give the arrow marks for all those lines or projectors. Now we'll join all the points here, A to B, B to C. So AB is here. So first join these 2 points. Then so D dash is here, A to D, then B to C. Then C to D. So this is how to construct a square lamina resting on one of its edge. Edge is inclined in the third position at 45 degree.